He's like a man with a fork in a world of soup. About his brother Liam. Noel Gallagher. True perfection has to be imperfect. I know that sounds foolish, but it's true. Noel Gallagher. My favorite pastime is staring out the window when I go on tour. Can spend hours and hours just staring out the window, thinking about nothing. I love all that. Noel Gallagher. Those who don't say what they mean will live and die by their own sword. Noel Gallagher. When you get to a certain age, you find that other people's opinions don't really matter anymore, and you get kind of uncomfortable with your place in modern life. Noel Gallagher. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my mum. I know I've got Irish blood because I wake up every day with a hangover. Noel Gallagher. Just because you sell lots of records, it doesn't mean to say you're any good. Look at Phil Collins. Noel Gallagher. You can't afford to think about what might have been. You just be aware of what is. Noel Gallagher. I meet these kids in the street and they're shaking, but I say, I'm honored to meet you. It makes me cry. It's beyond special. Noel Gallagher on meeting fans. If I can give you any advice, it's this. Every hour that you spend sat on the couch doing nothing, put it to good use, because when you have kids, an hour is like a lifetime. Noel Gallagher.